Hi you guys, good morning. I'm Clyde Demery and welcome to another episode of First Time Casting Adventures. If you guys like what you see and followed up by that bell notification, and if you want to stay connected to my channel and know when I upload fascinating videos, please hit the subscribe button, okay? And I would really appreciate you guys. All the guys that's already connected to me and watch my content, I owe you guys a gratitude of thanks because I wouldn't be where I'm at if it wasn't for you guys. So I really appreciate that, you guys. But today I'm not fishing. I'm doing a box opening. Woo! Let's see what's in this box, you guys. I know there's something amazing in here. I'm going to give you a further update on where I got it. But for now, this right here was sent to me. So, with no further ado, let's dig in. Okay. I'm excited, you guys. Let's hop right into this, see what's in here. I always like to keep the information so in case you want to reorder from them or send things back, you can, no problem. Oh, y'all check this out. Oh my goodness. This is from Obalus. Oh my goodness. I like what I see already. I like the color. See? Y'all check that out. Let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness, they got a bait casting reel manual, how to set it up. Once again, this product is from Obalus. And let's see, let's check out the reel, the moment we've been waiting for. Got it plastic wrapped. Oh man, right-handed. Oh, I love this, man. Y'all check out the color, the graphics on this thing. Look at the handles. Oh my goodness, man, I love this. This is so nice. Oh man. Oh, this is really nice. Check out the spool system on it. Now this right here, this rod is a 8:1 ratio on this. And what I'm gonna go with this, I'm not gonna do the line yet. This is the reel I'm going with. This right here is called a Obalus rod, and this is a 7'3", and this is heavy, fast action heavy. So this right here is what I'm going with to put that Obalus reel on. And this is really nice. And guess what? The color codes are pretty much the same, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is going to be awesome. I'm telling you, this is really going to be awesome. Let's see. Oh man. Oh, I like this already. Let's see. Now what I'm gonna do, because I haven't used this reel. I haven't used this reel from Obalus yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some line on it, and you know me, I'm using braid, you guys. I don't go no lighter than 30 pounds, and I do go up to 60 pounds, 65 pound braid. But I'm not affiliated with Cigar. I'm just using that product just to put on the reel, you guys. Oh man. Oh, this is a nice combination, you guys. Nice combo. And even look at the color code, you guys. Couldn't have got it no better. Oh, wow. So, Obalus, this is what I'm going to do. This shout out is for you guys. Let's see how this thing works out. I know this is going to be great. I can't wait to get on the water with it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and set it up. Oh, and by the way, I ain't even got a real cover for it. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to stop the video. It's just a quick video, a quick intro on Obalus and showing them that I got the product. I received the gift, the free gift. And what I'm going to do, the next thing is being on the water with it to see how it casts, setting it up, because you know every bait caster comes with the setup part that you got to get used to, you know, for your casting and stuff like that. So Obalus, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Okay, and let's see what goes on from here. The next video is going to be with me using your product. Okay. So Obalus, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I can't wait to use more and more of your products. Just like I said, let's see what happens next. Okay, y'all guys, I really appreciate that. Big shout out to Obalus, you guys. And by the way, you guys go check them out and make sure you, when you go by, check out Obalus. Tell them First Time Casting Adventures sent you. I appreciate it, you guys. Y'all guys have a good one. Until the next one.